Welcome to the Ultimate Premium Challenge. We're at the end of round one in this bantamweight bout between NKLA and MARA. At the start of this first round, NKLA opened with a price of $5.61, and when the price hit $5.45, NKLA went on the offense as 100 shares were purchased, and then immediately a $5.50 call was sold. MARA, on the other hand, had an opening price of $7.43 for round one and played defense with a short put at the $6.50 strike price. As round one comes to a close, a few more trades have been made by each contender. The $5.50 short call of NKLA was closed just 2 days after opening for an $18 profit. This was 75% of the maximum profit, and the ROI for this trade was 3.3%. So the first landed profit of the bout goes to NKLA. However, since the price has been battered down, a short put was entered at the $4.50 strike price for a potential profit of $22. This leaves NKLA virtually punched out this round with only $5 in trading capital remaining. But right at the end of the round, NKLA gets one more strike in, a $5.50 short call carrying a small premium of $5. Round two will reveal how well these trades play out. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of the action. Meanwhile, MARA was able to get in a few jabs in this round of trading while playing defense with its short put. A short call vertical spread was entered as well as a short put vertical spread. This left-right jab combination is actually an iron condor. Initially, all four legs were submitted simultaneously, but it was taking a long time to get filled, and as a result, the iron condor was entered by legging in, one vertical at a time. So as you can see, the width of either wing is 50 cents, and normally each short vertical would require $50 in collateral, but since both the call and the put vertical, they both can expire in the money at the same time, only one side is held as collateral. So the total options collateral seen here is $700, and that was for the $650 for the MARA short put, and then $50 for just one side of the iron condor for MARA. Here we're using the Trade 5 app to enter in our trade. This is the iron condor for MARA. The iron condor was sold for $22, but it only requires $50 in collateral. So this trade, if MARA's price stays between the short strikes of $5.50 and $7 by the end of round two, could boost MARA's ROI per trade metric, because this would be a 44% ROI trade. So with the left-right jab of an iron condor, it leaves MARA still with $300 in trading capital. Round one has now come to a close. NKLA ends the round at a price of $4.72, while MARA closes at $5.54. Let's see if NKLA's early profits of $18 was enough to win this round. As MARA's price closed below the $6.50 short put strike, the put is now in the money and the shares are going to be assigned. But the entire premium will be retained. This means $23 in realized profit for a 3.54% ROI on this trade. And there you go. Right at the closing bell, the momentum has shifted in MARA's favor. $23 to $18, MARA wins round one. Well, some of the early trades are set up for round two, but there will be much more to see between NKLA and MARA in this UPC bantamweight bout. Subscribe and stay tuned for round two.